Now you know why we should learn support vector machine. Let's look at the learning curve that we have. We will start with linear SVM, which is also called as hard margin classifier. We will have a perfect dataset where the classes can be separated using a straight line. Next, we will look into soft margin classifier, where the data cannot be separated perfectly using a straight line. We can build the classifier such a way that it will ignore those outliers and still be able to classify the classes. We have two red data points which are misclassified. Finally, we will learn non-linear SVM, where the data cannot be separated using a straight line. I also want to introduce some of the concepts that we'll be learning. We will start with hyperplane, then get into functional and geometric margin. We'll jump into quadratic programming and we'll solve it using Lagrange multiplier. Finally, we'll use kernel methods and we'll utilize that for non-linear SVM. We will code SVM in Python without using any library.